Behold the exquisite shine of these premium lipstick bullets, crafted with precision at our state-of-the-art facility, Cosmo Glitz.
Observe the smooth flow of the lipstick tubes on the conveyor. This ensures every tube is perfectly aligned and coated.
Step inside the state-of-the-art lipstick factory, where clean workflows and precision engineering create beauty at scale. Innovation in every tube.
These are the raw pigments that bring color to life. In our factory, they begin a precise journey from raw material to finished product.
All right, initiating the lipstick line. Pressing start now. There we go. The conveyor is moving, filling the tubes.
Lipstick, precision engineered for perfection.
This is the complete lipstick manufacturing process, from melting waxes and oils to molding, cooling, and final packaging. First, the vibrant mixture is blended. Then it's poured into the mold. Next, it's set into the tube. Finally, it's capped and ready.
Experience the luxurious finish of a perfect lipstick. Its rich color and smooth glide will captivate you. Here are the natural waxes and oils we use in our lipstick. They give our lipsticks a smooth, long-lasting finish. Time to measure the red pigment.
Got it. Let's get a precise measurement.
Perfect. Now for the pink. Our lipstick starts with the finest natural ingredients. I'm infused with beeswax, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E, and castor oil.
Look at these vibrant, smooth lipstick pigments. The colors are so rich and creamy, a luxurious treat for your lips.
All right, pouring the oil into our main mixing tank. This is for our lipstick line. Quality control is key. Next, we mix.
Let's check this lipstick. The tube is pristine. It looks perfectly smooth. The texture is flawless. Approved. First, we precisely weigh the waxes for our lipstick base, using the spoon of perfect batch. The first step is measuring the waxes on our precision scale. Now we add the oils, ensuring the ratio is perfect.
Welcome to the lipstick ingredient prep stage. First, we have waxes and oil. Next, the pigment for color. Now it mixes into a smooth base. Here we check the pigment texture for lipstick. I stir and feel the blend for consistency. It must be uniform.
This ensures lipstick meets strict safety standards. Precision filling and inspection guarantee quality and regulatory compliance.
First, we pour the melted wax from these large stainless steel containers. Next, the mixer blends the colors and ingredients to perfection.
This is our ingredient storage, where waxes and oils are kept. We precisely weigh each component before mixing. Here, the pigments are blended into the lipstick base. Stirring evenly disperses the color for a consistent hue. The mixture is now ready for molding.
First, the pigments are combined in the mixing bowl. A spatula is used to blend the colors evenly. This creates a uniform base for the lipstick.
The raw wax chunks are fed into the industrial melter. The mixer shaft rotates, blending them into a uniform molten mixture. Solid wax blocks are fed into the industrial melting machine. Inside the chamber, the molten wax is then dispensed for molding. In the factory, the mixing tank spins, blending the lipstick formula. The process ensures a smooth, consistent texture. Temperature at 65, increasing to 68, setting to 70 now. Confirmed, holding at 70 degrees.
This smooth liquid lipstick formula swirls in our factory, blending vibrant pigments and emollients for a perfect, glossy finish.
First, raw materials are melted in a tank. Finally, the mixture is molded, polished, and packaged.
Checking consistency on the line. Product looks uniform. Confirmed, consistency is within spec. Continuing the process.
The creamy lipstick mixture is blended to a smooth consistency. It's then poured into molds, ready to set into vibrant lipsticks. In our lipstick factory, this mixer blends pigments and waxes into a smooth base. The process ensures a flawless, vibrant product every time.
This is our heating stage, where the lipstick base melts.
The steam helps maintain an even temperature.
We maintain a precise 78 degrees Celsius here. Automated sensors make real-time adjustments. This ensures perfect consistency. We maintain a precise 78 degrees Celsius here. Automated sensors make real-time adjustments. This ensures perfect consistency.
Ingredients are combined in the mixing vat. The mixture is dispensed into molds on the conveyor belt. The process continues seamlessly. The mixing machine starts, blending the liquid lipstick. The agitator creates a vortex for a uniform mixture. The batch is ready.
Starting batch record for classic red. Noting formula details, satin finish, poured at 70 checks passed, moving to next batch.
In the mixer, we blend waxes, is poured into molds, and cooled on the conveyor. Finally, automated packaging for the finished lipsticks.
The process begins as liquid lipstick is poured into molds. The viscous formula fills mold with precision, quality and efficiency in every step. The robotic arm precisely fills each lipstick mold with molten base. This automated process ensures consistent quality and high efficiency. The conveyor belt moves filled lipstick molds through the production line. This automated step ensures uniform quality and high efficiency. The conveyor belt carries filled lipstick molds through the factory. Here, a mist is applied for a perfect finish. Molten lipstick is precisely poured into molds. After cooling, the perfectly shaped lipstick bullets are ejected. The molding stage begins as molten lipstick is poured into tubes on the conveyor. The lipstick cools and solidifies into shape before moving to the next stage. The lipstick bullet emerges from the mold, revealing its smooth, glossy surface. This automated process ensures a perfect, uniform shape every time.
Let's check the shape accuracy on this lipstick. Applying the gauge now. Reading is 99.8%. Perfect.
Molten lipstick enters the cooling tunnel on a conveyor belt. Airflow solidifies the lipstick as it travels through the tunnel. These nozzles dispense molten lipstick into tubes at high speed. The substance cools and solidifies, the tubes move down the line. Precision and speed for mass lipstick production. Lipstick tubes move through the automated line. Molten mixture is precisely dispensed into each tube. Cooling begins for a perfect finish. The metal mold slowly opens, releasing the perfectly formed lipstick bullet. This slow motion view highlights the precision of the automated process. The lipstick molding process begins as hot liquid. The lipstick travels through a cooling tunnel to solidify. Finally, the lipstick is precisely shaped by rotating blades. In this lipstick factory, precision machinery dispenses molten color into molds, transforming raw materials into elegant beauty products. Welcome to Lipstick Factory. The filled molds enter the cooling station, where they solidify into the final product. Here, symmetrical lipstick bullets are precisely aligned on the conveyor belt. Each step ensures flawless, high-quality results. The lipstick is poured into molds and moves along the conveyor belt. This cooling process solidifies the product, ensuring a flawless finish. The glossy surface is achieved through precision molding and polishing, ensuring a flawless finish. This automated process guarantees consistency and quality in every lipstick produced.
We polish each lipstick bullet to perfection. The machine buffs it to this ensures a smooth premium product. Starting visual inspection for color uniformity. Now, check mechanical function and weight. Results are logged. This batch is approved. Okay, checking for defects now. Rotating to inspect surface. This one is perfect.
Starting color consistency check on batch QC 4567. Red shades match reference. No texture irregularities. Here, the lipstick mass is perfectly extruded, forming a flawless tip. It is then seamlessly inserted into its sleek metallic tube.
This one is rejected for its uneven color and texture. This approved lipstick has a flawless process ensures only the best quality. This is our quality control room for lipsticks. We use automated systems to test color consistency. This ensures every shade is vibrant and even. Surface is smooth. Color consistency good. No visible imperfections.
The finished lipstick bullets are inspected for uniformity and quality. Each bullet is precisely molded and set in its base. Here, molten lipstick is poured into precision molds. The bullets solidify and are inspected for quality. Finished products then move to final packaging.
After passing quality control, approved lipsticks are carefully placed into trays. This ensures only perfect products reach the packaging line.
The conveyor belt transports molds at high speed. Filling nozzles dispense lipstick with precision. This process produces thousands daily. Our automated line precisely fills each tube. Next, the capping mechanism securely seals the product. Efficiency in every step. Here, lipstick bullets are precisely inserted into their cases by automated machinery. This ensures a smooth, high-quality finish for every product. First, molten wax is molded into lipstick bullets. Next, the bullets are rapidly cooled for stability. Finally, they are assembled into tubes and packaged. Yellow uniformed workers oversee the assembly of lipstick tubes. The process is automated, ensuring precision and efficiency. Finished lipsticks are transported to the premium packaging line. Each lipstick is precisely inserted into its luxury case. The packaged products proceed down the line for distribution. The boxes move along the conveyor for labeling. The applicator arm precisely applies the barcode label. Our factory's precision process creates flawless lipstick tubes. The final product emerges, a premium finish, ready for the spotlight.
Tubes are fed in, checked for quality. They go into trays, then into boxes. Sealed and ready for shipping.
Sealing these boxes is key to protecting the product. The tape must be applied firmly and evenly.
Welcome to Elegance Cosmetics, where quality begins. Our automated system precisely fills each tube, ready for shipment, maintaining our premium standards.
Crafted in our state-of-the-art facility, every lipstick ensures flawless color and texture for our customers.
Our lipstick factory process ensures products are ready to ship. Automated assembly delivers quality and speed, packaged and ready for immediate delivery.
We pack the lipsticks by shade into these boxes. Each one is checked for quality, then they're stacked, ready for delivery.
Welcome to our lipstick factory warehouse. Automated conveyors transport the boxes from production to storage with precision and speed.
Moving to aisle 5 for lipstick shipment. Copy that. Stack is ready. Lifting now. All clear. Confirmed. Good to go.
Introducing our final beauty product reveal, the luxurious lipstick art factory, where precision meets perfection. Behold the finished lipstick, a symbol of refined beauty. In the factory, precision automation ensures flawless quality.
From factory to your lips, every step ensures perfection. Precision crafting for a flawless finish.
Hi everyone, welcome to our lipstick factory.
We're thrilled to show you how it's made. It all starts right here on the line.
Thanks for joining us on the tour of our lipstick factory. We hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Dive into the lipstick factory process. Here, molten lipstick is poured into molds with precision. Like and subscribe to see the final product assembly.
Here, we mix the waxes and pigments. Next, we pour it into molds to cool. Like, share, and subscribe for more.
In our state-of-the-art factory, every step is precise. Pure beauty, crafted.
Crafted in our state-of-the-art facility, every detail is a lipstick of unparalleled elegance and performance.
In the mixer, the base ingredients are blended. The mixture is then dispensed into tubes. Finally, the filled tubes are set to cool. First, the lipstick mixture is melted and poured into tubes. Next, the mixture is precisely dispensed into each tube. The final product is ready for packaging.